Hey, welcome back. This week, we're on a little bit of a different adventure. We're just a little hour drive or so away from the house, and we are back out at my mom's property and checking out the camper. We're just gonna give it a once over while I'm out here. It's seen some heavy weather since the last time we came out here, so I just wanted to make sure everything was being held together all right. And then also, while I'm out here, we're gonna process a little firewood to bring home so that Nicole can feed her building fires addiction out in the backyard. So, I'm gonna take a walk through around the camper. So far, I've got the heat running and it's doing all right. And then I'll show you the little toy I bought to help get some of this wood home. All right. Well, checked out the camper. Everything looks like it's in really good condition still. It could definitely use a cleaning on the outside, but we'll get to that this spring for sure. Nicole and I are gonna get out here together soon so that she can start drawing some inspiration for how we want to remodel. It's not gonna be crazy structural or anything, probably just change up some flooring and maybe paint cabinets and stuff like that. But I'll make sure to keep you guys all updated along the way. I'm gonna go ahead and change into something a little bit more appropriate for the new tool I got. And there we go. All right. So the new toy that we got here is this WEN 16-inch chainsaw. It's an electric chainsaw. Very excited. I haven't run it yet, so I've got to throw some chain oil in there. I've already assembled the chain here in the guide, so we'll do that, get it plugged in, and then we'll see how it does. So let's go ahead and put some oil in. First. So I let the pressure come on the blade there, and that will lift up the guide here. So immediately I'm going to go ahead, and because cutting where it's pinching on that, that's going to happen. Real quick, I've already disconnected the power, so obviously nothing's going to happen there. Oil levels are still good. We're just going to take the cover off here. The only part I'm going to do with my gloves off. Take that cover off here. Chain's still fine. It doesn't come apart at all. So show you here. We're gonna first put the chain back around. Guide. Drive as well. Just getting it onto the tensioning. Get it here. And you're going to tension that out. Where it can kind of hold itself for a second. Tension. We want it to be able to come out just about an eighth of an inch there. Bring it back up. One down. 30 to go. All right. Well, it's been a couple hours. I've got the back of the truck bed full of some wood here to take home. I'm not gonna do any chopping. It's already about 3 in the afternoon, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring it all home for me to go get chopped there and hang out with Nicole and the rest of the other dogs. And oh goodness, also Gus is ready to go home. He is tired, so we're gonna go ahead and get on out of here, say bye to the camper for now, and until next time, thanks for coming along.
John, your old bag. And as
all right, here's proof that I actually did some work too, not just using the chainsaw, getting that manual labor out. I got plenty more to go. I saved all the fat ones for later. Oh man, I'm tired.